Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic which we are going to start is ideological basis of Pakistan. The main topics or headings of these are definition of ideology, sources, significance, and the very important the basis of ideology of Pakistan. Dear students, after watching this slideshow, students, you all are be able to know definition of ideology, sources of ideology and its importance, and the basis of ideology of Pakistan. Definition of ideology. Ideology is a set of political and cultural principles on which a nation or civilization is based. In the words of George Brass, any plan or program of common life based upon thinking and philosophy is called ideology. Following elements lead to the formation of an ideology among people. These are the components: common religion, common race, common language and residency, common political purposes, and common customs. Common religion. Religion profound impacts on the whole of the social life, not only the name of worship. Common race. Racism is a strong bond which, because of common ideas, binds the human beings in blood-like relationship. Common language. Language is the means of conveying the feelings, thoughts, and ideas. And the last are common political purposes. Because of common political purposes and ideas, nations achieve political freedom and they may become a strong nation. Common customs. Common customs create ideological harmony with respect to culture and thought. Significance of ideology. Existence of nation is reflected through their ideas. Ideas create consciousness of purpose among nation. Ideas provide any political, economical, social or cultural movement. Revolution. It is the second name of motivating force. Ideas provide discipline to various aspects of human life. Ideas determine the national duties and rights. So, if a nation ignores its ideas, it endangers its existence, and some new ideas tries to merge this nation and that nation change its identity. Basis of ideology of Pakistan. No doubt the Islamic ideology is the foundation of the ideology of Pakistan. Ideology of Pakistan means ideology of Islam. So here are the bases, there are the foundations of Islamic ideology or basis of Pakistan's ideology. Belief and prayers. Belief and prayers means to believe in the oneness of God and finality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and to believe that Allah hath power over all things. Inna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. Justice and equality. When establishing a just society, the Muslims put an emphasis on justice. It is determined in Islamic belief that all human beings are to be given equal rights. No one is superior. No one is any discrimination of caste, color, creed, and language. So Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam explained this fact in his last address of Hujjatul Wida. So, O people, all of you have one God, and all mankind is the offspring of Adam alayhi salam. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, and Arab has any superiority over an Arab. Also, a white has no superiority over a black, nor a black has any superiority over democracy. Consultation and deliberation are the basis of Islamic state and society. Democracy is promoted in an Islamic state and rights of the people are protected. Brotherhood. Fraternity and brotherhood has special significance in Islamic society. When Islamic government was formed in Medina, the example of fraternity and brotherhood, Ansar and Muhajirin, said there was worth swing. So today the Islamic society needs the same brotherhood and fraternity. Rights and duties. In an Islamic state, right and duties are closely connected to each other and both are go hand in hand. The right of one person becomes the duty of the other. Right and duties are correlative. When a person does his duties, he deserves to enjoy. Let's wrap up. Conclude the all topics. Ideology is a set of political and cultural principles. Ideology is originated from different sources like common race, common religion, etc. Its significance cannot be ignored. Ideology of Pakistan is based on ideology of Islam. Thank you.